Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well. Today is Friday. We completely forgot to film an intro for today's video, which was recorded on Tuesday, October 1st. So that's what this is. We're actually now completed the project, but in this video we finished up the main triangle and we finished up all of the capping on the main section of the house and a little bit of the front porch work. So I think we have 2 more videos left for this project. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Cue the timer. Let's go get our morning shot. What do you think, huh? Whoa, whoa. Foggy day today. I'm gonna try my best to get everything in the bin for you, hon. She's feeling pretty good about it. Maybe you should wait till I'm off the ladder, Johnny.
What's that?
You should wait till I'm off the ladder.
Oh.
New blade. I really wish they just put a bigger magnet in these knives, or just had a better design for it. It always falls out. You still need this plywood, Johnny?
What?
You still need this plywood?
No, I'm all good.
All right, I'm gonna toss her. You wanna just grab that end for me? Should be all loose. On 3, yeah? 1, 2, 3.
Awesome sauce.
Beautiful. All right, let's clear our nails, get this blown off. Oh, come on.
Is that your hammer?
Yes, it was. Oh, we'll get some ice and water on, then we'll fire up our, well, we actually just fire up the air now and get these empty too, eh? I know we still got some dirt in this trough as well. Yeah, we got a fair amount actually. Cleaning the troughs, cleaning the troughs. Oh, it's a dirty job. We should have been on that show, Dirty Jobs. I don't know if you guys have that in the States. Here in Canada, it was pretty great. Oops. I just leave it there. I'll cut it after.
Okay, now so I want this nailed down because I'm saying if I get my foot off of it, I'll just go slide.
Okay, here's a hammer.
Alrighty.
And here's a nail.
Oh boy.
Let's just get the air hooked up. Might as well. Probably need the second red hose.
Okay.
course, some old cot.
Yeah,
One person can use the red and one person can use the blue. And hopefully we'll have enough pressure. Should. Jinx, you owe me a coffee. Look at this jambalaya soup. My goodness. Well, it was me that rolled these all up, so my doing. Okay, well, we're pretty well set for underlay now. Got everything stripped. Johnny's gonna go figure out our compressor situation, and then we're gonna get our underlayment on. Okay, well, we got a few different things we can do in the meantime. Pretty sure all these rippers can go. We'll probably just leave them so we can get the ropes out. But I have some more trim nails I have to put in here, in this corner.
Any idea where's the TB?
Should be in the trailer.
Ah, where's the trailer?
On the shelves.
Can you toss me my flat bar?
Flat bar, flat bar, flat bar. There it is.
Yeah, all I saw were fixtures, and I couldn't spot the.
All right, let's come have a look. Oh, she's got to be here somewhere. There it is.
Are you shirtless? It's like 15 degrees outside and overcast.
It's humid outside.
All right, we got a little pop-up, real light rain on the radar. Today was clear, but I don't know, it kind of just popped out of nowhere. So we're gonna quick get all this underlayment on and just get right to shingling. I don't mind working through a little bit of rain, and it's not a whole lot, it's really light, but just kind of how today is. It's a very mopey, you know, super foggy day. Well, she's raining. We're just gonna keep on shingling. We're all tied off, we'll be fine. Shingles don't put on themselves, so. Okay, well, don't have too much time for dilly-dallying. Start getting some shingles on here. Okay. All right, first shingle going down. Well, we're getting there, guys. About 10 minutes, I'm gonna go for a lunch. It's still raining. It's like a real light rain, just enough to be really annoying and get everything slippery, but not enough to really send us home. Everything's watertight, so I'm not worried about it at all, but you know, still we're definitely gonna finish shingling this. We'll probably finish capping, and then we'll probably just come back tomorrow and do the little porch. I have to come back anyways and put in some sheet metal around their fascia board. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at. Try shingling for another 10 minutes, go for some lunch. I gotta meet with a customer at around 12:30, so I'll leave everybody here to do whatever they see fit.
Was that straight or hooked?
The third time I've dropped my knife. This pouch pocket doesn't have a good spot for it, so it just flops around. All right, well, we're about halfway done shingling this triangle. We're gonna go out for some lunch. I gotta go meet with the customer. We might have to pick up a tube of some clear sealant as well. I gotta double check the truck, but a couple errands to make, and then we'll be back on the job site. But it's going pretty well. The rain's held off for the most part, so I think we'll be okay to finish up our capping here. And we have one more solar vent to put in. I gotta clean these panels off as well before we leave, just to make sure they're nice and fresh. My poor knife. You know, for $1 knife, this thing holds up pretty well. Okay, let's go for some lunch, Miss Henna. You guys were using his old plum stack. All right, just getting back from lunch. We're gonna go continue our shingling.
Woo woo.
Miss Henna's gonna hang out here. She has some fine business to attend to. She is our secretary for today, so she's got some customers she's got to go email.
Chicka chicka.
Chicka chicka wow wow. Up top, yo. Okay, we'll see you in a bit. Do 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 do. Howdy howdy.
Hold up.
I don't know. You think we can do that back porch today, Johnny?
What's that?
Think we can do that back porch today?
It'll be tight, but it'll be good.
We'll see what time it is when we get all this capping on. How's that? Because we have rain coming tonight, so if we strip it, we have to get it done. Ah.
What's the weather looking like for tomorrow? Because it had like nothing. But it had something.
A little wider. Nice bead of silicone around there. Underneath the vent, underneath their screw points. complete. All right, let's cut some hips. More so me cutting the hips. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring.
Bring up into the shingles. Yeah, that was fantastic.
Okay, Johnny, is that it?
I believe it is.
Okay, well, I'm getting coils. Can you take that rope and blow out this east trough and that east trough? No!
No!
The compressor! She's running out of fuel. Oh no.
The compressor has.
Alright, just working up to our final few cap shingles for the main roof. We got to just pulling out these rope ties. Alright, we got pretty much everything down. We got a couple more bundles to throw. And we'll use those on the back porch. Yeah, they certainly make these Landmark Pros quite a bit heavier as advertised. Noticeable difference carrying these around. I really like their packaging as well. I mean, whenever we got gaff bundles delivered, half of them would be pre-ripped. They would be really faded, and that's not necessarily on gaff. But the overall packaging that CertainTeed uses is a lot stronger, keeps the shingle a lot more protected during shipping and all of that. And then I think that's pretty much it. This ripper can go, and we'll finish tying in this capping. We take our cut cap, place that like so, fold it in the back on itself. Now we got to work up this side so we can meet in the middle. All right, so for our final cap shingle, we're going to take our bucket of tar, some on our spatula, put some of this on our final end cap shingle. And lay that down, and that's done. So that is how we avoid putting 4 corner nails and using silicone. And the exposed silicone ends up, you know, after 5 to 10 years, it'll start to wear out and can lead to a leak down the road. So it's good for business, but not good for the homeowner. So this is a good alternative that keeps everything nice and sealed. That tar is going to stay. It's nice and protected by the shingle, so it's not going to wear the same that it would if it was exposed, you know, to the elements. And so that's going to stay good and tight for a long time and should last the life of the roof. All done. I still need to put some fascia metal on there, but all of this we're going to take care of tomorrow with some fresh fascia metal. Oh no! What happened?
She disappeared. You see her racing me and stuff?
Yeah, racing her.
I can't run now. Ow! That was a mistake.
Okay, let's go home.
Aw.
Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. Hannah and I are now home. We'll be finishing this project tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below any things you'd like to see in future videos. Like the video if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more content in the future. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one.